Good morning, preschool friends. Happy Reindeer Day. Let's start off by singing our Wish You Well song. Ready? We wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day today, we wish you well. Hands on your heart. We wish you well. All right, so for Monday math, I have a fun Christmas elf math rhyme to practice our subtraction and counting down from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're starting with 5 elves, and let's see what happens. 5 little elves jumping on the sleigh. One jumped off and ran away. Mama caught Santa, and Santa did say, "No more elves jumping on the sleigh." So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 little elves jumping on the sleigh. One jumped off and ran away. Mama called Santa, and Santa did say, "No more elves jumping on the sleigh." 3 little elves jumping on the sleigh. One jumped off and ran away. Mama called Santa, and Santa did say, "No more elves jumping on the sleigh." How many's left? 2. Can you show me 2 fingers? 1, 2. 2 little elves jumping on the sleigh. One jumped off and ran away. Mama called Santa, and Santa did say, "No more elves jumping on the sleigh." 1 little elf jumping on the sleigh. He jumped off and ran away. Mama called Santa, and Santa did say, "There's no more elves jumping on the sleigh." How many's left now? 0. Do you remember how many we started out with? Let's count up and add. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I've got one more Christmas rhyme, and this is called 5 Little Christmas Trees. 5 little Christmas trees standing all alone. Their hearts were very sad because they hadn't found a home. Then chop went the axe, and down fell a tree, and off it went with a happy family. Aww. How many trees are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little Christmas trees standing all alone. Their hearts were very sad because they hadn't found a home. Then chop went the axe, and down fell a tree, and off it went with the happy family. 3 little Christmas trees standing all alone. Their hearts were very sad because they hadn't found a home. Then chop went the axe, and down fell the tree, and off it went with the happy family. 2 little Christmas trees standing all alone. Their hearts were very sad because they hadn't found a home. Then chop went the axe, and down fell the tree, and off it went with a happy family. Now how many trees are left? Just 1. 1 Christmas tree standing all alone. Its heart was very sad because it hadn't found a home. Then chop went the axe, and down fell the tree, and off it went with the happy family. No little Christmas tree standing all alone. Their hearts are very happy because they all found a home. Next up, I'm going to show you an activity that is on Google Classroom today about sorting 2D and 3D shapes. So if you are on Google Classroom, you can follow along and then complete that activity on your own. Or if you're not on Google Classroom, you can still watch the video and play along. All right, let's take a look at our Google Slide activity today, which is 2D and 3D shapes. And remember that a 2D shape is flat. It's just top to bottom and side to side. But a 3D shape is not flat, and it also goes front to back. So let's look at our first slide here. It's asking us to drag the check marks to the pictures that match the 2D shape. And this little boy is holding a shape. Do you know what he's holding? A rectangle. So we are going to drag the green check marks here in the corner and put them on top of all the shapes, all the objects or pictures that look like rectangles. So I see one right away, the flag. That flag looks like a rectangle. Do you see any more? We have the calculator, the door, chalkboard. How many sides does a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 2 longer sides and then 2 shorter sides, and all the sides are straight. Do you see any more objects over here that are rectangles? The map, the easel. There's 2 more, I think. Do you see them? The card and the phone. All right, let's take a look at the next slide. We're going to do the exact same thing, except now we're looking for, do you know what shape she's holding? 3 straight sides, 3 points. That is a triangle. So let's put a check on all of the triangles. Slice of watermelon. Pizza. That's a triangle. The road sign is a triangle. The triangle is a triangle. So this is a musical instrument called a triangle. Do you see any more? There's a bunch right here on this party banner on this decoration, but we'll just put 1 check mark. But you can see there are 5 separate triangles. Do you see any more? There's 2 on the sailboat. The sails are triangles. Okay, do you see any more? The coat hanger or clothes hanger, that is a triangle. A lot of triangles there. All right, let's take a look at our next slide. Now we're going to do a 3D shape. It looks like the 2D shape of a square, but it's several squares put together to make a cube. Can you say cube? So let's look over here and see if we can find any cubes. I see one right away at the top there, Rubik's Cube. And in that spoon, I believe I see, those could be sugar cubes maybe. Look a little bit like ice cubes. The building block, there's 2 different building blocks that are cubes. Do you see any other cubes? Some more blocks here. The box is a cube. You can see that this cube, all the cubes go top to bottom, side to side, and front to back. The present is a cube, and I believe there's one more. The die. Let's cover up the die. That is also a cube. Okay, let's go to our next 3D shape. It is looks kind of like a circle. If we had a flat circle and we fill it up with air, blow it up, it's not round, it's not flat anymore, and it's the shape of a sphere. So, or like a ball. So let's look at all of these over here that look like balls or spheres. Oh, I see one. The globe of the earth. The 8-ball. Basketball. The beach ball. Do you see any more? The balloon full of air. The Christmas tree ornament. Any more spheres? Oh, I see another one. The orange. Any more? The planet. Could be Saturn, has rings around it. Although there are other planets with rings. We'll say it's Saturn. Why not? And then let's go ahead and say that this ice cream shape on top of the cone looks like a sphere. Did we get them all? I believe we did. And we've got couple more slides. On the next ones, we're going to separate and sort the 2D and 3D shapes. So if it's a 2D shape, we're going to put it over here with the number 2, the puppy dog holding the 2. And then if it's a 3D shape, we're going to put it with a dog holding the 3 sign. So right away, I see this button. It's a circle. It's flat. It is a 2D shape. And this is a beach ball. It's the shape of a sphere. It's not flat. It's nice and round. So that is a 3D shape. Let's go on to the next slide. Which one of these is a flat 2D shape? The road sign. That's a flat triangle. And then I see this looks kind of like a triangle, but it also goes front to back. It's a 3D shape of a triangle. It's called a pyramid. A pyramid. All right, let's go to the next one. We have, do you see the 2D shape? Which one is flat? The calculator, that is a rectangle shape. And then the fish tank here is full of water, so we know it's 3D because we can put something in it. It's full of water, and that is a rectangular prism, 3D shape. Okay, I think we've got one more. Do you see which one's flat? The 2D shape, just two sides? That would be the penny. It is flat, 2D, it's a circle shape. And then the Christmas ornament would be the 3D shape. It's round, it's not flat, it's a sphere, and that is a 3D shape. All right, so now you could try this on your own.